Hey everyone, it's day 2. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box in day 2. Kind of excited here. So let's check out day 2. So here we go. There's day 2. And let's get it open. And let's see what comes in here. Oh, look at that. That is very pretty. So we have day 1 and day 2. And of course, we have the main skein. So there is the main skein, day 1 and day 2. Very, very pretty. I can't wait to see them worked up together. Hope you'll join me when I go to work those up together. And I hope you'll stick around with me throughout the whole month as I continue to open up every box. And I'll see you on the YouTube streets. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.